Today I'm going to show you how to create animated transitions in VEED. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got animated transitions right here in VEED. What we're going to do is we have one clip and we have another clip. This is split, and this is where we will put our transition right over here. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to go over here to the top. You'll either find it here or on the right. Within this preview, you'll see transitions, and here there are a few ways to do this. Now you'll have your standard transitions, so this will be like, you know, the regular dissolve, the fade to white, fade to black. It'll be the gradient fade, zoom in, zoom out. It's all kind of like regular. If you want to create your own, you'll see over here it says create new AI transition. Now you can see over here that there are a bunch of cool ones. So like this zoom in and zoom out. That is pretty sick. All right. You can also see the rotate and pull. So if you hold your cursor over each one of them, you'll see a sample of what it looks like. And for me, this is something that really I think is awesome. So this orbit over here, that looks pretty sick. So you'll kind of use that transition. Now, if you go up to the top, click on create new AI transition. Here, you will choose your video. So you'll select the video you want to transition from. All right, so this is from 0 seconds to 3267. So 3267, that's about right over there. And here, this is from 3267 to 1 minute 8 seconds. This is these two clips over here. Now, what you can do is you need to describe your transition. So you can use prompts like shatter into grass, zoom through light, or ripple into the next video. And this is fantastic. This means you can type out pretty much anything you want, and it will give you a transition that best suits your prompt or your description. So this will cost credits. So you can see over here, you'll be able to buy more credits when you upgrade. And then you can use these transitions for multiple videos. So once you've created it, you'll be able to reuse them on multiple clips.